In today's video, I will walk you through how to join the WhiteBIT Referral Program. The WhiteBIT Referral Program lets you earn a percentage of the trading fees generated by users who sign up using your referral link. Once your referrals begin trading, you can receive recurring rewards based on their activity, making it a simple way to earn from sharing your invite link. Standard referral rewards are 40% of eligible trading fees, and users with qualifying WBT holding can receive up to 50%. To get started, in the main navigation menu, hover over Products. From there, select Referral Program. This will take you to your referral dashboard, where all of your referral tools and statistics are available. On the referral page, you'll find your personal referral link. Anyone who registers using this link will automatically be connected to your account as a referral. You can simply copy the link and share it with friends, family, or your online audience. You'll also see a QR code that can be downloaded or shared directly through messaging apps or social media, making it even easier to invite new users. As people register through your referral link, you can monitor everything from the same dashboard. You'll be able to view the total number of referrals, how many have completed identity verification, and your total earnings. Keep in mind that invited users must register using your referral link or referral code to become your referral. And that's how to join the WhiteBIT Referral Program.